Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Hey everyone! If you've ever felt overwhelmed by your growing reading list or just want a simpler, more powerful way to track your books, you're in the right spot. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to organize your reading library using my favorite Notion book template. By the end of this video, you'll have a beautifully organized, fully functional digital library that's easy to update, personalize, and actually keeps you motivated to read more. All right, let's dive right in. For this demo, we're using a free reading library template, which is honestly a lifesaver if you're starting from scratch. Templates in Notion give everything a polished, professional look right out of the gate, so you don't have to fuss with layouts or databases from scratch. Plus, you can tweak and customize them as you go, so it really feels like your library. Starting off, head up to the top left corner of your Notion workspace. You'll see a little drop-down menu with extra options. Give that a click. If you're new to Notion, sometimes these menus can feel hidden, but trust me, you'll get used to it quickly. From here, find and select Browse Templates. This is where the magic happens. Notion's template gallery is packed with both official and community-created templates for tons of workflows, including reading trackers and master databases. Now, in the search bar, simply type Reading Library. If you like more advanced setups, you could also look up Master Database. These tend to offer more flexibility and integrate well with other Notion pages. Once you find something that catches your eye, take a second to preview it. Notice the structure. Are there fields for author, genre, your ratings, notes? Does it include cover images or links for each book? Pick the one that matches your style or needs best. All set? Click Add. The template will instantly load into your workspace. In just one click, you have foundations for a whole reading management system. Here's where the fun begins. You can now start adding your credentials and create entries for your books. Credentials are your basic categories. Think title, author, status. Are you currently reading, want to read, or finished? Genre. These help you sort and find books super quickly later on. If you're importing a massive list from a spreadsheet or another app, take your time. This part might take a few moments, but don't worry if your library isn't perfect straight away. You can always edit and expand it as you read more. Now, let's talk customization. Notion makes it super easy to personalize your database. You might want to add a column for your personal rating, a review field for when a book blows your mind, or a spot to drop your favorite quotes. Add cover images. It makes scrolling your virtual shelf feel a bit more like browsing your real-life bookcase. Change up the colors or icons to reflect your personality. Don't be afraid to experiment. The best part about using templates is you can always revert or tweak things as your needs evolve. And that's basically it. With this setup, you can filter, tag, and search your books in seconds, set reading goals, or even share your recommendations with friends. The process is quick, the results look great, and you'll find yourself reading and remembering more than ever. Thanks for watching. If you found this Notion tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own favorite book templates. And definitely subscribe for more productivity and tech tips. Happy organizing, and I hope your reading adventure just got a whole lot smoother.